Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're preparing for IELTS or just want to expand your English vocabulary, today's video is perfect for you. We're going to learn 10 powerful words to describe people's behaviour and personality. Words that will really impress examiners in speaking and writing. Often, English students rely on simple words like nice, friendly, or kind. But today I'll show you more advanced alternatives that make your English sound natural, precise, and sophisticated. And of course, I'll give you examples so you know exactly how to use them. First up, we have fastidious. A fastidious person pays attention to every little detail. For example, my teacher is fastidious about grammar, so even a tiny mistake gets corrected. Gregarious. A gregarious person loves being around other people. Unlike his shy brother, Jonathan is gregarious and loves big parties. Next up, we have taciturn. A taciturn person doesn't talk much. Although she's intelligent, she's rather taciturn in meetings. Magnanimous. Someone who is magnanimous doesn't hold grudges. After winning the debate, he was magnanimous and praised his opponent. Obstinate. An obstinate person refuses to change their opinion. The child was obstinate and refused to eat any vegetables. Pragmatic. A pragmatic person focuses on what works, not just on ideas. The manager took a pragmatic approach to solving the budget problems. Voracious. A voracious person wants a lot of something. She's a voracious reader who finishes 2 books a week. That's me. Pensive. A pensive person often looks like they're lost in thought. After hearing the news, he sat in a pensive mood, staring out the window. Meticulous. Someone who is meticulous checks every single detail. The architect was meticulous in designing every detail of the building. And lastly, impulsive. An impulsive person makes quick decisions. She bought the expensive shoes on an impulsive shopping trip. So those were 10 powerful words to describe people's behaviour and personality. Try using some of these in your IELTS or everyday speaking. For example, if you're asked to describe a friend, instead of saying he's nice, you could say he's very gregarious and always makes new friends easily. Much better, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. And tell me in the comments, which word describes you the best? See you next time.